Creating a resume can be a difficult task, especially if you are starting to create your resume from scratch. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step and teach you how to create a resume using Canva for free. There are several templates to choose from. Let's take a look and get started. Let's go to the Canva home screen. Go ahead and type in resume. You will see hundreds of templates available for you to customize. Scroll down and take a look at the various templates that are available for you. You will notice that there are many templates that are free to use. You will see some of them do have a Canva Pro subscription on it. If you want to use this template, you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber. You can see many of these templates, some being creative and some of them are professional. So you can choose any of the templates that work best for you. Today, I'll show you how to make a customized resume for yourself. Let's go ahead and pick a template. You can also see that there are similar looking resumes that you can choose here. Once you choose the template for yourself, click on Customize this template. It's now completely open on your Canva screen. Everything on this template can be edited. First, let's go ahead and adjust the name on this template. You can double-click or highlight on the name and type in your name here. If you want to adjust the font, go ahead, double-click or highlight the text. Go to the top of the screen and you can see the various font options available for you. You can then select any font you like and click on it to preview it on the template. Once you find the font that you like, you can go ahead and adjust the font size. And if you want to change the font color, you can change it from here. Throughout this template, you can use the same font or change font as per your requirement. All you need to do is double-click on the text or highlight, and then go to the top of the screen and click on the font to change it. You will see all the fonts being used in this document at the top. Okay, now let me show you some other useful features when it comes to editing a resume template on Canva. The template that I have selected for this example includes some design elements that you may or may not wish to keep. Go ahead and select the element that you want to delete, edit, or change. If you wish to delete, you can select the design element and click on the delete icon here. If you want to change the color, click on the design element and change the color by going to the top and selecting the color as per your requirement. If you wish to move this design element to some other place, click on it and move it around like this. If you want to change or add another design element, on the left hand side you see Elements. Click on it. And you will see examples of elements to choose. If you wish to find something specific, you can search it from here. If at any point you decide that you don't like the changes that you have made, remember to just use the undo button at the top. Although you don't need to do this, given that you already have pre-populated text boxes that you can use to update it as per your requirement, but in case you want to add more text boxes, you can go on the left hand side and select text to add any additional text boxes for you to use. To update your own photo, you need to click on this image here and replace it with your own photo. You can upload it from the option on the left and select the file and replace it with the existing image on this template. Once you are done editing your resume, make sure to come up here at the top and click on File and then Save. Canva also saves all of your work automatically. If you wish to download this resume, come up to the top right hand side and click on Share. And scroll down to click on Download. I recommend downloading the file as PDF. So now you have a professional looking resume for you to send out and apply for jobs. Best of luck. If you have any questions, please type a comment below and consider subscribing for more tutorials like these.